Welcome to 5925 Fredricks Rd, Sebastopol, California. This single-level, 3-bedroom, 2-bath home is situated on an acre of land. It has been recently upgraded with new flooring, paint, doors, and fixtures. The 1,650 square foot layout incorporates the great room concept and has easy access to the back deck for entertaining. The kitchen has been recently upgraded with stainless steel appliances, concrete countertops, new sink and fixture. Down the hall is the laundry room and bedrooms. The hall bath has also been recently remodeled with tile tub enclosure, concrete countertop, and fixtures. The master suite with its walk-in closet, the master bath includes concrete countertops, new fixtures, and a stall shower. You can also access the back deck from the master bedroom. This is country living at its best.